Hey everybody, so you may have heard that I was recently in a bit of a crash, and like a good rider, I was wearing my helmet. Additionally, like a good rider, when you have a crash that affects your helmet in one way or another, you need to get a new helmet. So this one is gone, and so I replaced it with the HJC I91, I believe. In case you don't know, this is a modular helmet. My previous helmet, the Scorpion XO-R420, was just a full-faced helmet. For the time being, I'm gonna roll with this one. I've never used a modular helmet before, but that's not the point. With it being a modular helmet, I knew that connecting my cardo was going to be a bit more of a challenge. And so this helmet came with these parts here on the jawline, and you can tell that HJC wants you to use their proprietary Bluetooth connection. Now, first of all, I do want to let you guys know there will be a helmet review coming in the future of the HJC I91, but that is not today. Today, I'm actually going to be reviewing the adapter I found made by these guys called Tubs Jackson, and they make these wonderful little adapters for all kinds of helmets for the purposes of connecting a Bluetooth device. And so this is the item I bought from Tubs Jackson. It's just an adapter, and it slides in pretty easily where the other piece would normally be. I have it removed, but on the other side, that's what it looked like before. And so these parts, they just slide out. And so once you do that, then you can attach the adapter that you buy. It slides in very easily. It'd be easier with two hands. Okay, behold the power of two hands. So now I have attached the adapter here. Really, the hard part's over. At this point, you can take the back of your cardo. I have a cardo free comm, and it just slides right on top here. Boom. Okay, satisfying click, and there you go. And now you can just attach your cardo like normal. Again, one-handed makes everything more difficult. Pause, and behold the power of two hands. And Tubs Jackson adapters. So far, so good. I have yet to go out on a ride because, well, it's the dead of winter here in Ohio, but I will be checking it out, and I think it looks great. So, thumbs up to those guys. I'm just gonna go ahead and bang on my brand new helmet, and I think they made a really good product, so definitely recommend. Thank you all so much for watching. If this video was helpful at all, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to me if you are new. Thank you so much for watching. Ride safe. Later.